Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet a basket of t-shirt yarn. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for latest uploaded videos notification. And how to make a t-shirt yarn, link is given in the description. Take a hook of 8 and a stitch marker. First we will make a magic loop or a ring. Pull the yarn and hold it and make a chain 1 and this is a magic loop. Then we will make a 6 single crochet through the loop. 1, we will mark the stitch through that first single crochet, then second single crochet, then third, 3, 4, 5 and 6 single crochet through the center of the loop. Then pull the short yarn from the marking. We'll make a slip stitch, then chain 1, then in next stitch we will work 2 single crochet. That is, in second round we will work 2 single crochet in each stitch. Make a mark, then in next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2 till this 1 2 3 4, not in the chain 1 stitch. We will work till last single crochet. Then remove the mark and work slip stitch, then chain 1, then in next stitch 1 single crochet. Each time we will mark in the first single crochet, then in second stitch, that is the next stitch, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. In third round we will go for 1 2 1 2 in this pattern, 1 single crochet, then in next stitch 2 single crochet, alternate 1 2 1 2. Complete the round. Then work slip stitch through the mark, then round 4th, chain 1, then in first stitch 1 single crochet, then next stitch 1 single crochet, then in next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. In fourth round, we will work for 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 in this pattern. That is one single crochet. Then again in next stitch, one single crochet. Then in next third stitch, we will work 2 single crochet. Complete the fourth round with the stitches. Then through the marking, make a slip stitch. Then fifth row, chain 1, then 1 single crochet. In next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet. That is total. In 3 stitches, we will work 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then in fourth stitch, we will work 2 single crochet. That is 1, 1, 1, 3 times 1 single crochet. Then in next stitch, we will work 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Complete the fifth round. Make a slip stitch through the marking. Then for sixth round, chain 1, then 1 single crochet. We will work in 4 stitches 1 single crochet. Then in fifth stitch, we will work 2 single crochet. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, then 2. In this pattern, we will complete the sixth round. At last, make a slip stitch through the marking, then chain 1. Now we will work in the half V, that is in the outer half stitch, single crochet, 1 single crochet, and mark it. Then in each half stitch, we will work 1 single crochet. Throughout the round. Then make a slip stitch through the marking. And make a chain 1. In next round, we will work a stitch through the V shape. That is, insert the hook in this through this V shape and go through this way. Each time we will work through the V shape only. Then work 1 single crochet through the V shape. Mark through the first single crochet and work 1 single crochet through V shape, each 1 single crochet throughout the row. After that, same, make a slip stitch through the first single crochet, that is through the mark stitch, and make a chain 1, and through the V shape make a single crochet in each stitch, and work the rows as per the height you want. I have worked 7 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows of V shaped stitches. Then we will now change the color through the marking stitch, we will insert the hook through the stitch marking and pull the yarn. We have 2 loops on the hook. Then take the yarn and go through the 2 loops on the hook and make a loop. Then make a knot of ends of 2 yarns. Then we will make a chain 1, chain 1, then in the first V-shaped stitch 1 single crochet, then in the next stitch we will work to the next downward stitch, that is second stitch. Then for the third stitch 1 2 3, in this stitch we will work a single crochet. Then in next row 1 2 3 4, in the fourth stitch we will work then for next stitch we will work through 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then to the fifth we will make a angle, in this pattern we will continue throughout the row, that is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Just go 1 1 1 step downward and complete the round. Then in the last work a slip stitch, and then chain 1. Now we will work a reverse single crochet. I will show you how to work a reverse single crochet. Just we are going through the right side at each time. Now we will go from the left side, work from the left side. Same, we will work a single crochet but reversely. Insert the hook yarn over and go through the 2 loops on the hook. This is our reverse single crochet. In each stitch we will work a reverse single crochet throughout the row. After completing a reverse single crochet in each stitch, at the last cut the yarn and remove the yarn and join it with the help of needle. Cover it properly. Make a knot in this manner. And thank you for watching the video. And if you really like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.